The top-selling Bluetooth mouse on Amazon is the Logitech M720, and I'm about to open it just to check it out for my very first time. And that's it. That's all it comes with. Super simple. And there it is. Oh, yeah. So, of course, that little kind of pull tab is to trigger the battery on and off. You've got an on and off right here as well. You've got your optical light right there. Really, really nice. It is Bluetooth, of course. Programmable buttons on the side, which I really love. I love the fact that, look at that, like the shape of it. And oh, there's a button here as well. That's pretty cool. So 3 buttons, that roller. You've got a selector that basically changes those 2 buttons. So of course, with the Logitech app on your computer, you'll be able to customize all of that stuff. Really, really fancy, super nice to hold and very easy to glide. I will love using this on my desk every single day.